My dear technician, welcome back to my new video. One of my technicians all the way from Uyo, the capital city of Akwa Ibom State, came to my place here in Idoran to work a customer phone. Okay, according to him, he told me that he has tried many times to work this phone, but it's not still working. That one of the IC here is heating up. Okay, my dear technician, he tried his best to make sure the phone works, but not still working. My dear technician, I'm going to check deeply to know the reason why this phone is not booting. Okay? My dear technician, please take your time to watch this video so that you will learn. Okay? My dear technician, according to him, he told me that the power IC section is the main section that is heating up on this phone. So I'm going to inject voltage using my DC power supply to see if the power IC is still working or not working. I want to be sure before I proceed. So let me inject 4.2 volts and 2.0 amps. Okay, so let me do that now. My dear technician, right as you can see, I'm setting up. I'm doing some settings so that I will get exactly voltage and amps that I want. Okay, if you want to learn how to use DC power supply, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, check this out: 4.2 volt and 2 amps. My dear technician, I will inject it straight to the phone. My dear technician, I will inject it to the V bar. Okay, the negative to the ground, while the positive goes straight to the V bar. Positive. Okay, let me do that. I'm working on it. Please wait. I'm working on it. If you have question, feel free. Let me know. Tell me something in the comment section. Okay, tell me something in the comment section if you have any question. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. Check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, check this out. Let me connect it. Okay. Let me connect it now. Check this out. Check this out. I'm working on it. My dear technician, the next thing now is for me to press the power on button. Okay. I want to be sure that the power IC is still working. If the power IC start working, I will see here. Here we go. Check this out. It's not reading. Let me connect it again. It's not reading. Let me connect it again. I want to be sure that the power IC is still working. If the power IC works good, that means I'll go further. Okay. Okay, check this out. The power IC is still working. You can see the reading. You can see the reading. You can see the amps reading. The power IC is still working. The power IC is still working. Good. Okay. Very, very good. The power IC is still working. Now I will check the main reason why the power IC is heating up. But before I check the main reason, I will show you the proof of the power IC that is heating up. Okay. The battery of this phone is low, according to the person who brought the phone. According to my technician who brought the phone, the battery is low. So I'm going to remove the battery and charge it. After charging the battery, I'll put it back to this phone and then boot. Then I will use paste, soldering paste, and rub on the power IC section. You're going to see because it's going to melt. Okay, my dear technician, so let me take my time to remove the panel. Check this out. I take my time to do this. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Check this out. I take my time to do this. No rushing. I take my time to do this. Check this out. Check this out. I open the heatsink to check if there is any physical damage. It is important for you to check for physical damage. It's very, very important. Okay. Check this out. I check it very well and I brush it. I use my brush. I put some chemical and brush it very well. I check for physical damage. Very, very important. My dear technician, it is important for you to check for physical damage. Take your time to check. It's important. Please. It's important. It will help you solve a lot of issues. Okay? Check this out. No time to waste. No time to waste. Check this out. I take my time to do this. No time to waste. I want to fix this phone today. I want to fix this phone. I'm happy that the power IC is still working. That gives me assurance. That gives me hope that this phone will work. Okay. The next thing now is for me to hit the panel. My dear technician, it is very important for you to put paste on the phone panel, a phone panel that is heating up. It's very important for you to put paste and heat up. Okay, use your rework station, your blower, heat the panel up, put paste, heat it up. Okay, let me explain the main reason why. You see, there are sometimes either water or corrosion, rust. Okay, something like that happens under the IC, or the phone fell inside water, the owner did not told you, or there was a time the phone fell inside water, the owner of the phone just managed and used like that. There are sometimes my customer will just bring phone to me and told me that the phone fell inside water some months ago, but the phone was still working. I was still using the phone and the phone started developing issues last week. Okay. So after I opened the phone, I checked, I discovered that the water spoiled some component. Okay. So it is important for you as a phone technician to use your paste to rub on the phone panel and heat it up. Okay. That will help. The paste will go under the IC and do some servicing by its own. It is important for you to do that. So I take my time to blow everything. As you can see, I blow the power IC section. I blow every place. My dear technician, check this out. I take my time to do it, especially the power IC section. I take my time to do it. If you have questions, feel free, let me know in the comment section. I'll be done. My dear technician, now let me use my multimeter to test to see if there's any short on the panel. Okay. Anyway, when I was using my DC power supply, there was no short. So let me use my multimeter to test now to see. Check this out. Check this out. Not really bad. Okay. Let me read directly. You can see 596 something. Guys, voltage is still flowing in. Voltage is still flowing in with no issue. When I was using my DC power supply to inject voltage, there was nothing that actually consumed. The amps was still 0, so nothing was consumed. So my dear technician, let me take my time to test some capacitors to see if I will see any capacitor that is not working or is the one causing the issue. Okay, it's important for you to take time and check. It's very, very important. Check this out. It's very, very important for you to take time and check. If you have question, feel free, let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Check this out. If you have question, like I said, let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, after checking the capacitors, none of the capacitors is faulty. So now what I will do now is for me to power the battery of the phone, then try to boot the phone and see if the IC will still heat up. My dear technician, this is the part 1 of this video. The part 2 of this video is dropping soon. Okay, I'm still working on the part 2. The part 2 is dropping very soon. If you have question, let me know in the comment section if you have question. Okay, so see you guys in the part 2. Part 2 will drop very soon. Watch part 2. Thank you and bye bye for now. Love you all.